What's happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial. It is Wednesday. This means a brand new video for you guys, and in this tutorial I have something I've never done before, and that's basically how to edit 360 videos. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to recreate this effect where you can like look around and the screen is going to follow your entire phone resolution. And I know this video is not 360 because you cannot make like one part of a video only 360, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to edit a 360 camera video that you shot with a camera that's especially made for 360 video. Obviously I'm gonna do that all in Vegas Pro 16 today, so I'll catch you guys obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, right now we're in Vegas Pro 16, and as you guys can hear, I'm right now using the Shure SM7B new microphone. And I'm really curious what you guys think of the quality of this mic, and that was all thanks to you that I could get this one, that I could get the Shure SM7B, the Focusrite Solo and the Cloud Lifter device, all thanks to your support. So before we start, I want to basically say goodbye to my old microphone, which is going to be the Samsung C01U Pro. Dear Samsung C01U Pro, we made so many awesome videos, we helped so many people with Vegas tutorials, we reached millions of views together, but I have to say that right now it is time for something new. And yeah, thank you so much for being with me all these years, supporting me, screwing me over sometimes by not recording shit while I was trying to make a video. But overall, you had great quality. Thank you. Okay guys, enough rambling around, let's get started with today's video. I have a good friend, Marc, and he provided me a clip of a 360-degree camera so that I could use that in a video. So we're going to do another contest. Make sure to go ahead and go to his channel, subscribe and turn on notifications, send me a screenshot on Twitter and I'll follow you back. It is that simple. So he provided me this clip. I'm going to drag it in right now, which is looking like this. So if I play it back, I'm going to just put the quality just a little less. As you can see, when I play it back, this is basically how it looks. I'm going to use a little program for that. So as you can see right now, his drone is now lifting off and we can just look around. Now, obviously, we want that icon on the top left, and if you move your phone, it goes with the screen. So this is basically the 360 video, and a new feature that Vegas has is go to video effects. Then you want to scroll all the way to the top until you see 360 scene rotation. So we're going to go ahead and drag that on top of the clip, change the rotation, for example, like counterclockwise, and you can do it like that. If I'm going to put that one to 0, you can also, pan that one to the left or the right, for example, like that. And what you can also do is you can put this one up or down. So once you have recorded your clip with your 360 camera, import it into Vegas Pro 16, then you want to basically just go ahead and actually adjust it until you're happy with it, and then we're gonna just render this out, and then in order to upload it as 360 degrees, we're gonna proceed from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and export this, just a little part of it. Okay, so now that the video has finished rendering, I'm going to include a link in the description to a little program that you need to install in order to convert it to a 360-degree video. Now, I want to mention this is completely for free. It is not any viruses because this is endorsed by Google, so I'm going to just go ahead and link that in the description, extract it. It's just a really simple .exe launcher that you can install, and then we're going to open that one up, which is going to be this one. So what we're going to do then is we're going to hit open, and we're going to look for the file that we just rendered out, which is right here, 360 Vegas 16.mp4. Click on open. Then you want to make sure that my video is spherical 360 is checked. Then you want to inject the metadata. If you're not going to do this, it is going to look like a normal video like we have in Vegas. It's not going to be able to like look around and stuff. So we're going to inject the metadata, and you want to make sure that you will save this original file. Don't rename this yet, because if you're going to rename it, it's not going to inject the data. So just go ahead and click on save. And now as you can see, it is saving, successfully saved the file, and that is the file that you want to upload onto YouTube. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, this is what happens if you upload that file and watch it on mobile. You can just move it around with your hand, everything like that. With your phone, if you do it like this, the screen will tilt it, and obviously on your computer, you can just go ahead and use that icon on the left top corner. So that's it guys, this is how to edit and render and upload everything like that 360 video in Vegas Pro 16. So that is how to do it. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for the continued support, and also let me know what you think of the new Shure SM7B microphone that you guys all were kind enough to donate that to me. Let me know what you think of the quality, and I will see you guys in a brand new video, obviously tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.